field. Just about everyone has seen a jellyfish, felt a jellyfish, and some even been stung by a jellyfish. But not many people actually know much about this animal. This presentation will illustrate details of the jellyfish, as well as some interesting things about the moon jellyfish in particular. Cnidaria is a phylum containing over 10,000 species of animals found exclusively in aquatic and mostly marine environments. Their distinguishing feature is cnidophytes, specialized cells that are used mainly for capturing prey. Fossil cnidarians have been found in rocks formed about 580 million years ago, and other fossils show that corals may have been present shortly before 490 million years ago and diversified a few million years later. Where they are classified. Their domain is eukaryotic, their kingdom is animal, phylum is Cnidaria, class is Scyphozoa, order is Cymistome, family is Almeridae, genus is Aurelia, and species is Aurelia aurita. With regards to their phylogenetic tree, there's the Anthozoa, which are corals and sea anemones. There's the Scyphozoa, which is swimming jellyfish, the Staurozoa, which is stalk jellyfish, the Cubozoa, which is box jellyfish, and the Hydrozoa, which is hydroids and siphonophores. Jellyfish are multicellular radial symmetric organisms, meaning that one can be cut into two equal halves through a central axis in many longitudinal planes. Their cephalization. Cnidaria have no brains or even a central nervous system. Instead, they have decentralized nerve nets consisting of sensory neurons that generate signals in response to various types of stimuli, such as odors, motor neurons that tell muscles to contract, and cobwebs of intermediate neurons to connect them. Cnidarians do possess some degree of cephalization. They have a head where their mouth, photoreceptor cells, and a concentration of neurocells are located. This is considered a low level of cephalization. Cnidarians have hollow bodies. The body will consist of 3 layers, of which 2 are tissue layers, the ectoderm and the endoderm. The endoderm forms part of the digestive tract. The ectoderm forms the epidermis. Then in between the two, there's a mesoderm, which is a jelly-like cellular substance between the 2 tissues, and is not a true tissue. As a result, they have 2 diploplastic layers. Jellyfish have no blood systems. The digestion takes place in the gastral cavity, and the food gets absorbed through there. The nutrients get to the exterior layer through diffusion, so they do not need blood or a heart. A coelom is defined as a body cavity or area around the gut, so therefore no, Cnidaria do not have a coelom. Cnidaria, such as jellyfish, hydra, coral, and sea anemones, have no coelom nor body cavity. As mentioned earlier, they have a gastrovascular system, which is also known as the coelenteron, and is commonly known as a blind gut or blind sac, since food enters and waste exits through the same orifice. Cnidarians and the moon jellyfish in particular has no openings through the gut, but has an opening through the mouth instead. This opening acts as both a mouth and an anus. The opening is surrounded by tentacles which assist in feeding and protection. In Cnidaria, sexual reproduction often involves a complex life cycle with both polyp and medusa stages. With the moon jellyfish, a larva swims until it finds a good site and then becomes a polyp. This grows normally, but then absorbs its tentacles and splits horizontally into a series of discs to become juvenile medusa. A process called strobilization has now taken place. The juvenile swims off and slowly grows to maturity, while the polyp regrows and may continue strobilating. The adults have gonads that go to gastrosphere. These release ova and sperm into the water and breeds. Moon jellyfish has a very limited ability to move where it likes to. The current of the water and the wind is what takes it from one location to another. They don't use their body movement often to enable the jellyfish to move around. They spend most of their life just drifting around in the ocean. When they do move, they do so by a form of jet propulsion, not heavily on the big jellyfish to survive on the during their long migration journey. Other predators, birds, are fond of getting close to shore. Humans are also predators of the big jellyfish. Humans don't like the idea of being close to them when they're in the water.